Howdy. How's it going, guys? Not too shabby here. I've been busy for a day or two because just trying to have fuck you notifications. Just trying to get things done. So, I know it's been, what, a couple days. So, here's what's new on my end. Got a new welding table, which I'm stoked for because I needed one more workbench instead of a fucking table, like a plastic table. So, solid metal now. So, I'll go over that in a little bit, just not right now. So, how have you all been? So, in one of my last videos I made, I talked about I kind of want to get into like doing a little bit of custom work, but that's gonna take time though on my end. So, after I get really good with this welder, know the tricks and nicks and everything else with it, then I'm gonna start going with trying my best on a little custom work on my vehicles here. So that's why I picked this table up, so if when it comes down to start welding and shit, I'll be using this table for cutting, welding, you name it. So, I mean, it's right now I gotta do a lot of cleaning to this thing. So, I know it's old and crusty. I prefer this old metal because it's been around for a few years, so that's why I took up the offer on getting it for free and using it for welding. Yeah, of course, you can see my old black pickup behind me. Some people hate it and whatnot. So a lot of people love it and whatnot. I love it. It's obnoxious. Kind of like its owner some days. Loud and obnoxious. So with that being said, I got a new welding table. So now with this all black pickup I got, it's an absolute riot. Cause just having people look at it, just memorized by it, just wondering, where did he come up with this idea? Don't worry about it, just, yeah, it came to it. So, oh yeah, this truck is, like I just said, it's an absolute riot to drive. Loud, obnoxious, it's paid off. So, yeah, that's why I'm keeping it, just to, I don't know what you want to call it. Be loud and obnoxious. Fucking notifications, leave me alone. Shut up, you little shitbag. I love you, but enough. Seriously, you're just gonna sit here and give me all bullshit kind of notifications, huh? Fuck you. So, yeah, so once I get everything I needed, then basically have one bench cleaned off in there. Just gotta organize it a little bit better. Got my other bench I have to clean off. Fuck. But till then, I'm gonna work on all Riot back there. Once I get more metal and whatnot and figure out why there's a miss in it, it's probably something simple like a vacuum leak or some shit. And no, I'm not. Fuck you too. So, what was I just talking about? All I know is this truck has a bit of a mess in it, so I have to figure out why it's acting. Seems like it doesn't want to shift, but same time it shifted just fine last year, so I'm thinking it might be a vacuum line. So, and by God, I'm not gonna tear this fucking transmission out neither. That's a bitch and a half to do in itself. I have to take about, 12 bolts out, drop the drive shaft, cross member, and all that shit just to get it out. That's why you don't want to change fluids in a transmission, because it will decrease the life and life on it. So that's why you never change fluids out. I'll get into a different day, different video. So, because I've been really anxious to actually take this whole thing out, be obnoxious and shit next year. I know I'm not all worried up neither. So, I do most of my best work out here anyway instead of inside. Yeah, most people don't realize this truck is just a complete riot to drive. Everybody wants $1,000 car payment on a Mustang or Challenger or Camaro, whatever. Not me, I want my shit paid off and run. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Why I'm doing what I'm doing with this truck is just be absolute obnoxious, a riot, and everybody's go for it too, thinking, God, that's a cool truck. So that's what I'm doing with it. So anyways, y'all have a good day, alright? Have a good Sunday. Talk to you later. Bye.